Hey everybody, we are starting a new build. This is my 2017 Focus RS. She's got like 45,000 miles on her, and we are today going to be ripping the motor and the transmission out. The transmission is going to be getting sent off to Jack's Transmission to get built. We're gonna be doing all of the treatments to the gearbox, and then we're going to be adding an LSD. And then the motor is probably, hopefully never gonna be back in this car again, as currently we have Adam Brunson at TunePlus Inc. Putting together his Type Z motor build, which is going to be the bottom end head, and then once that stuff gets here, we get to put it all together. And then I'm also getting TunePlus Inc.'s Xonarotor turbo kit to put on her, as well as like secondary injectors to run straight E85 through the car. So yeah, I'm gonna get on that. So we got the subframe dropped. Next up is to disconnect the charge pipes, disconnect the down pipe, and then go ahead and start getting rid of the fluids. So just oil, cooling. And then I'll start pulling a bunch of electrical shit off and try dropping the motor, I guess. All right, so JR has single-handedly pulled this motor and transmission out of this Focus RS for me. He's the man. So now we get to wait like a few weeks before the, yeah, get out of the shot.
I know, I'm sorry.
Jeez, Raven.
Now you get to wait like 2 to 3 weeks for the motor to get here. In the meantime, we're gonna end up taking the transmission off of the motor. I believe like Monday or Tuesday, we should be getting a nice big old box in to dump the transmission into, get it sent off to Jax, have them build it, and then hopefully if everything turns out well, we'll be receiving the built motor and the built transmission back around the same time, so we can throw everything in, put the new turbo kit on, do a few other little things, and then have a very, very quick Focus RS. Alright everybody, so it's like a week later. Been waiting around for a box to come in to send the transmission off to Jax to get built. It's supposed to be in this week at some point. So we're going to go ahead and remove the transmission today in hopes that the box gets here like this half of the week. So we can just get the ball rolling on everything else going on. So yeah. All right, so we got the transmission off of the engine. So she is ready to get sent off to get built. Just waiting on the box, and then we can get to that.